What's up, guys? Today we will be playing Blox Fruit, but rip-off version. But it's super fun. So let's get right into it and don't mind that. Yeah, by the way. Today we'll be playing, and this is a hard game. So the best character you can choose is Light or Light. Let's get right into this. He did. Buddha is also dangerous. He's still not killed. We're gonna target any Buddha users. So, die! What? We got him! Guys, he's so low. He did. Oh, don't listen. He did too. Lightning is just too overpowered though. He did. Double kill. I told you guys, lightning is just too overpowered, bro. Too good. But it's not close range, it's long range. So don't get close to people. Got him. I got him. Oh no, oh no, oh no. I hit him. He dead, but I'm almost dead. Let me teleport. Let me teleport. Bye, guys. I died.